Today on the repair bench, let's fix that damn screen. Or should I say, both screens. Alright, let's take this thing apart. Out the ribbon, and one more. There's this one here. Pull it back. Ribbon out. Okay. Always use plastic. It won't scratch anything. And let's see if I can do this sideways here. Sideways action here. Get these ribbons out here. Don't crimp those. The only problem that I can see is this damn thing, the joystick. And there it is. Okay, that's done. That's it. So, that's good. See how that looks? Yep, beautiful. Now, let's just put everything back together. You there?
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Alright, so that's that.
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1
This
for
goes
more
here.
options.
Like so. Oh, no call. Lost connection there. Alright. Okay, there's one, there's two. Okay, there we go. And now is the speaker. Oops. Get that speaker lined up. If I can get it just twisted a little bit and put it in its place and come on. Come on. Ah, shit. Okay, wait a minute, give me a second here. Okay, I'm there. Alright, I'm there. Got those ribbons, got this ribbon. I think I'm missing one. Okay, it's right here. It should come up. That goes to that one. This one is going to go to that one goes there. These two go there. And of course, this one came out. Okay, that goes there. And then the other one goes here for the back cover. Jeez. Click in. Okay, another one here. This one's a little tricky. I hate this one. It's a sideways one. So you gotta go sideways here like this. Oops. Oops, oops. There we go. This is your joystick. Oh, I had it. I let go of it. There we go. I got it. Click in. Alright, almost there. Go like that, and wait a minute. What do we have here? That's good. Put the card in. That way it holds it into place. Okay. Okay, click it. Okay. Now, get this back to how it was. I believe it's set like that. Check that ribbon. Yep. That. Okay. Set it slowly. just going to want to sit right into place. Grab these screws and start dropping them in. I need tighter gloves. These are hard to work with. Let's get that out of the way, okay. Got that one, got that one. Oh, missing this one, and I'm missing this one, I believe. Right, one more. Well, did I already get that one? Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Put the battery back in. And the back cover. Power her up. Alright, looking good. That's a start. Okay. Okay, let's see if everything works. You got your sleep. Select start basically. Okay, that goes there. Can't do anything yet. How about the volume? Low? High? Alright, looks pretty damn good. So, out with the old, defective, cracked, shattered, and in with the new. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. You guys and gals have a good one. Until the next one. Cheers.